Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be discussing about ETF and Nifty IT ETF. So basically an ETF is an exchange traded fund. It is a type of investment where it is a type of investment which bundles a lot of stocks together, creating a portfolio of assets, which allows us to be diversified with a single resource, and it is exchangeable or we can trade just like simple stocks. So basically, ETF is an advanced version of mutual fund where the expense ratio and other things are very less, and it directly tracks the index. And now we'll be discussing about today about Nifty IT. So Nifty IT is basically a stock market in India, which represents the performance of the best IT companies listed in the National Stock Exchange. It includes IT firms like Infosys, TCS, etc. So this is one of the platform Grow where we can purchase stocks or ETF, mutual fund, etc. We can see like I have opened the Nippon India ETF Nifty IT, which is like covers the ratio or expense ratio is very less for ETF. So if we see the constraints of this, so we can come down and we can see like Infosys is allocation in Infosys stock is 26.76%, TCS is 24 point something, HCL is 10, and further there are a few others in the second page. Now, if you buy ETF, you are actually buying all these stocks. So, like basically all these shareholders can be bought from a single ETF, which is for now we are looking at Nippon IT. Now, why I'm recommending to buy this currently is because let's go to the graph. So, if you can see from the top, it is down by around 16.9%. Okay, so and we can see this is the support here. So support is basically from where the stocks can rebound again, so it can move upward, or if it breaks the support level, it can come further down, and this is the next support level. So we can see this is the next support level, and if we go down to this is the last support level, uh, which it can go. So there are high probabilities of moving down and up, but considering like the current situation, if we see here like HCL, if we go here for HCL's results, you can see like the net profit is keep on increasing for past few years, and basically if we see we are getting this price at 3 years before. So you can see like August, around August 2021, it was the same price. So if you see in the last 3 years, maybe, so we can say let's just suppose let's consider for March. So we can see it has increased from 15,000, the profit has increased to 20,000, which is around again one third. We can say again the sales have increased. Uh, yeah, and the 3 years, like the average is 23%, but as of now it is 0% for us. So there is high probability of it moving upwards. Similarly, if you see for TCS, we can see net profit is the net profit again has increased from 32 to 46, which is again almost around 45% or more than that. EPS is also increasing. We can see again the sales has increased. Same goes for Infosys. If we see again the sales has increased from 2021 till here. Again at again the profits have increased, and so we can see like EPS is also increasing. So it is like already the business is doing good, and it's majorly because the US stocks are tech stocks are not moving as much. It should have moved, or there is no clear clarity on the AI part. Where is the next leg coming from, or no new services with AI, or some other thing which is pending from the IT. So it is just waiting for that, and once it find that, it will move up from here. So likely we can say there is a high probability of a swing trade where we can gain around 20% from the current level. And now why ETF? If we buy ETF, actually we are not buying an individual stock, and actually we are getting a share of all the other companies. So whichever companies does good or finds the next leg, maybe in the AI or other space, uh, it can move the index up and other things. And like in that way, we are reducing the risk, but increasing our leverage. And definitely, as the stock markets keep on rising, it should definitely cross this level someday. Now this change may come in 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, or maybe 3 years, but definitely you'll get the 20% return for sure, and even more than that. So this is what I think is the best investment opportunity available right now with low risk. Or if you want to do a swing trade, this is the most, eligible, I would say, eligible category, reduce, minimize the risk and maximize your return.